Social media platforms, especially the video sharing platforms, are full of influencers with expertise in different categories from food blogging to fashion to tech reviews and many more. Now, a new section of social media influencers is taking over the internet, and these are called Cleanfluencers. Millions of people watch them clean dirty houses and dish out cleaning tips, and they have a sizable fan base. These individuals have a passion for cleaning and offer their followers cleaning tips while showcasing their cleaning skills. Auri Katerina, a cleanfluencer who has far more social media followers than the Japanese tidying guru Kondo, says, "I love cleaning, I love dirt." Katerina travels the world to find the dirtiest homes possible while wearing miniature pink gloves and sharing her tips with her 9 million TikTok followers and 2 million YouTube followers. Katerina has a total of 2.6 million followers on Instagram and has put out 345 posts in total. Katerina believes that people living in such filthy conditions are usually depressed or suffer from mental disorders. She has been through depression herself, so she relates to their condition and knows how overwhelming it can be. Her welfare work has received praise in the comment sections of her videos, with people saying how her videos have helped them cope with their difficulties. Cleaning has always been an important part of human life. With the global rise of video sharing platforms, cleaning videos have become hugely popular on social media, inspiring a growing number of users to start posting content. 27-year-old Abby, known as Clean with Abby to her 2 million followers, stated that, "I was watching videos and I thought, that's what I do at home. I can just film myself doing it." Now, brands sponsor her to use their products and she earns between $720 and $1,200 per video. The Cleanfluencers not only post their own videos but also share tips on how to clean properly with their followers.